Good morning students. In this video, we will be discussing the topic operations on decimal numbers. So children, in the previous videos, we have discussed exercise 6A, 6B and some questions I have given to you. I hope that you have done those questions in your practice notebook because you need to be in practice in mathematics. It is very important so that you keep on practicing your questions and everything, because decimal is a topic, children, which is going to be very important for you. And these decimal numbers, they will be in 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. They will not be like directly chapters, but you should know what is a decimal number and what is tens, hundreds, thousands, how do we add them, how do we multiply them. This multiplication and addition of decimal numbers is very important topic, children. So in this video we will try to go through the addition, subtraction and multiplication, division of the decimal numbers. Now starting with addition of decimal numbers. So children, on page number 115, example 8, you have add 6328 point decimal 137 comma 416.28 comma 63.063 and 37. So children, the first step that you need to remember is you need to write the given numerals or the decimal numbers one above another with the decimal points in the number line in a vertical line. So starting with 6328.137. So children, here now 416.28. So 0.28416. You will not write 4 below 6, you will write 4 below 3, because you want the decimal of the above numeral and the numeral below to be in the vertical line. Now we have 63.063. Now here there is no number, so you can write a 0, because you know you increase any number of zeros, it is not a problem. On the left of the on the right of the very right of the decimal number, and here you have 37. So there is no decimal, so we can assume that here we put a decimal here and 0 0 0 and we can write. So not a problem, children. Now we will add them. So 7 plus 3 will be 10. So 0 1 8 plus 3 11 plus 2 11 plus 1 12 plus 6 18 8 1 1 2 3 4. 1 is carried over, so 4. Now all the decimals are in the vertical line, so here we will put the decimal. Now 8 plus 6 will be 14 plus 3 17 plus 7 will be 24. So 4 2 is carried over, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 plus 6 is your 14. So 4 1 is carried over, 4 plus 3 7 plus 1 8 and 6844.480, or yes. So this is your answer, children. Here you can see the decimal numbers are in the same vertical line. So this is an example of addition. Now if you go through the subtraction, so example 9 you have, children, it's 94.6974 from 853.83. So we need to subtract this number from 853.83. So what will we do? We will write 853 above, and below this we will write 94. The decimals are in the vertical line, 6974. So there is no number here, we will put zeros, simple zeros, not a problem, minus sign, and we will subtract. So now children, here in subtraction you need to make sure you put the zeros here, because this will become 2, this will be 9, because 3 will give 1 to 0, this will become 10, and this 1 will be carried 2. So 10 minus 4 will be 6, simple subtraction. 9 minus 7 2. Now here this 2 is small, now again 7, then this will become 12. So 3, 7 minus 6 1 minus. Now here again 4. So we have, so it will be 9, again 7, now 10 and 12, 13, 14, 5. So 759.1326. This is your answer, children. So here the important thing to remember this is, here there was no number, so we need to put the zeros. In addition, we need to put the zeros. So make sure you do this. You don't forget this. This is very important, children. Now, in example number 10, you have, children, is you have simplify 43.51 minus 51.4146 plus 703.83 minus 453.51. Acha. Now children, here in this type of question, what will you do? So in this decimal number, you have plus sign or positive sign. So you will add them. So 703.83, 43.51. You will add them. Now 3 plus 1, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 3, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 7, 4, 7, 747.34. And here the negative sign ones, you will also add them first. 453.51, because they have the negative sign, they are like terms, and 51.4146. So here we put the zeros and we are adding them. We are not going to subtract because they have the same negative sign. So 6, 4, 2, 9, 4, 0, 504.9246. Now this is of positive sign, this is of negative sign. Now 747.34, 504.924600 minus. Now here children, you will subtract them. Previously we have discussed how do we subtract. So 4, this will be 3, this will become 9, this will be 10. 10 minus 6, 4, 9 minus 4, 5, 3 minus 2, 1. So here you will carry, this will be 4, this will be 2, 4, 2. This will be 242.4154. This is your answer. So children, there are some word problems based on addition and subtraction. So I will be going over some of them from the exercise 6C, and you can do them from this video, and you can do these questions from the video in your fair notebook which I am discussing. So here question number 4 you have, children. These are word problems. Make sure you go through them. Shreya bought a book of rupees 127.50. So book of rupees 127.50 rupees. A geometry box for rupees 54.25 and a notebook for rupees 24.75. So children, here she has bought these 3 items and we need to know how much money did she spend. So book, geometry box, notebook, she has brought these 3 items and we want to know how much money she has spent. So just to simply what we will do, we will add all the 3 amounts. So what will we do? 127.50, 54.25, 24.75 and add them. So 10, 15, 16, 1 2. So 206.50 rupees she has spent in all these three items. One more word problem we will go through. So children, the next question that we'll be going through is question number 8. And the question says, a rectangular wooden picture frame. So a wooden picture frame, rectangular in shape, okay, is 1.08 meter wide. So this length is 1.08 meters and 2.63 meters long, and this is 2.63 meters. Now children, so this will also be 2.63 meters and this will also be 1.08. The question says, what is the smallest length of wood in meters required to make this frame? So what they are trying to say here is, this frame is made up of wood, and this frame is made up of wood. So we need to know that how long or the smallest length of wood we require to make this kind of frame. That means so if you have a long a very big wood, how much it would be, or the minimum length of it, so that we can make this frame. What will we do? We will break it in cut it into 4 parts of this size, 1.08, 1.08, then 2.63, and adding all of them together will give the actual length of the long wood that we need here. So what will we do here, children, is, to know this, we will add 1.08, 1.08, 2.63, 2.63 together, and we will get the answer. So 8 plus 8, 16 plus 3, 19 plus 3, 4. This will be 6 plus 6, 12 plus 2, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Children, this will be 2. This will be 2. So the answer is 7.42 meters. One last question that we can go through is, the last question that we'll be doing is question number 9. And you can do the word problems, the examples. Make sure you do them, and do them in the fair notebook. The examples, please, they are important. Question number 9. The distance between Dhruv office and home is 7 km 5 meters. So the distance between home and office is 7 kilometers 5 meters. Okay, so this is a total distance traveled by Dhruv from his home to office. So he walks from home to metro station A, he walks 1 kilometer 125 meters. Then from A station to B, it travels via the train, and it travels a distance of 4 kilometers 65 meters. And from B station to C, not C, but the office, is the remaining distance he walks. We need to find the distance that he walks from metro station B to the office. So children, this is the total distance from home to office, and from home to metro station A is 1 kilometer 125 meter. From A to B, metro station A to B is 4 kilometers 65 meters, and from B to office he walks. We need to find his distance. So what will we do, children? We will add these two first. Okay, we will find a distance between home and the office, this metro station B. So this 1 kilometer 125 meters, you will convert them in kilometers. You need to give the answer in kilometers. So 1 kilometer plus 125 will be converted in kilometers. How? Just divide this with 1000. So this will be 1.125 kilometer. And this here 4 kilometer 65 meters will be, on converting, will be 4 plus 65 divided by 1000. So this will be 4.065 kilometers. So you will add these two first, and you need to convert this 7 kilometer 5 meter in also kilometers. So 7 plus 5 divided by 1000. So this will be 7.005 kilometers. Now you will add these two. Okay, so 4.065, 1.125, on adding 5 plus 5 10, 6 plus 2 8, plus 1 9. This will be, we are adding, we are not subtracting. 6 plus 2 6 7 8 plus 1 9 1. This will be 5.190 kilometers. So this is the distance from his home to metro station B, and the distance between from his home and office is 7.005 kilometers. This is the distance. To find this distance, we need to subtract this 5.190 from 7.005. So we will subtract now. 7.005, 5.190. Okay, now this will be 5 only. This will become 6, this will be 9, this will be 10. So 10 minus 1, 9, 10 minus 9, 1, 9 minus 1, 8, 6 minus. So 1.815 kilometers is the distance from B metro station to office. This is the distance he walks from metro station B to the office. Thank you children, and in the next video we will be discussing the multiplication of decimal numbers and the division of decimal numbers, and discussing the exercises in the upcoming videos and putting an end to this chapter. Thank you children.